Hello, this is Take a Shop. Today we're looking at a common issue with the Technics SL-1300MK2. The Tonearm mounting base can break. We've seen this happen during shipping. The reasons are simple: aging plastic and impact during transportation. And here's the problem. This part is made as one single molded piece, so normally people think it can't be repaired. But it actually can. Today, I'll show you the full process, from removal to rebuilding to full restoration. Here is the damaged part. On the MK1, this was metal. On the MK2, it was changed to plastic, probably to save space, but it also made it weaker. Let's start. First, we remove the damaged plastic. Important point: don't remove everything. Some areas are critical for the mechanism. Keep the sections marked in red. Carefully trim with nippers. This is the result. Next, we prepare a new part. This is our original design, made with a 3D printer. Since screws are used here, we chose PETG for strength. This is the finished part, a square hole boss. Installation is simple. Insert the boss into the plate, then push in the wedge using pliers. Do this in 3 places. If needed, add a small drop of adhesive. Reassemble everything. And it's done. As you can see, even this kind of damage can be fully repaired. At Take a Shop, we focus on vintage Technics turntables, repair and maintenance, and custom replacement parts. We also sell refurbished units and repair parts on eBay and Shopify. Check the links below. Don't give up on broken gear. Fix it. Keep it alive. Thanks for watching.